So this is a tutorial on how to load an M1 package file to M1 Tune, to your M1 ECU. So we start out here, we've just downloaded a file from someone and it's called Motec M1 package archive. It should have the name of, if you got it from an email or whatever. So first step, double click that. It will ask if you want to install the archive. You hit yes, and it will say it succeeded. And what that does is it puts it into the file structure of the M1 Tune software. So it's easy to find and access and sort. So then we open M1 Tune. I'm using 1.4. You can also use 1.5. And you basically want to open, you either hit File, Open Package, or just the little icon right here. Click that. And this will sort by a bunch of different things. So import date is often the easiest way to find that. So we imported these two today by installing the archive. But you can obviously do it by firmware and hardware and other things. So you open that up and then you turn on your ECU so that it says ECU discovered down here. Very important, do not open the ECU at any point. We've opened a file and we want to send it to the ECU. So you can either hit the send button here or file, send, and it will show you a dialog that says it's working on it. We don't want to merge in this case because I've changed a bunch of stuff. So usually you will not merge if someone who's done the tuning has sent you a file. And then it opens the ECU and all should work. If a dialog box comes up in the middle that says it can't connect, if it just shows maybe like this in a second here. If it shows that, when you hit send, it's often because you might have a mismatch in your vehicle, your ECU serial number. You might be trying to send a package that was on a different serial number, so it doesn't want to let you do that. So you can change this to be the serial number of the ECU you're connected to. And that's it.